Hey everyone. Okay, Felicity Jane came in this month. I'm so excited to open this kit. I don't think I've seen anything about it. I've been kind of busy, so I haven't really looked. So I'm excited. I want to see. So we got our hello. It's like a fall theme. I think this one was called Rebekah, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. But I think it's called Rebekah. So all the fluff you get. Oh, look how pretty this is, you guys. Oh my goodness. Last month's kit, I couldn't really do too much with because it didn't seem like we got a lot of what I play with. So so that one I didn't get to. I think I shared like one TN layout. So hopefully I can get more out of this one this month. I'm hoping. So these are single-sided. I love that. The heart is beautiful. It's October. Oh, look how pretty. I like that. Hello, pumpkin. Oh. That is like an orangey red. Oh, guys. Ugh. Week number, and you can put like 3 or something. Your favorite week. Okay, so that's that one. Then we get the Puffy Alphabet, which I love. I love Puffy Alphabets. And yes, we got numbers. Woohoo! Numbers are awesome. You gotta have numbers with your alphabet, especially in the PL world. This is Puffy stickers. Oh, look at that. Yep, this is already looking promising. Love, family, home, smile, happy. And this is a nice gold. I know in the last video I was talking about the difference in golds. This, to me, I don't like this gold. I love this gold. But if you guys can see the difference, see what I mean? It's like one's really in your face and one's more like mellow. So that's, you know, that's what I was talking about in my last video, the Citrus Twist unboxing. So this is, oh yeah, it is Rebekah, but with the K. It's floral. I noticed since I've been subscribing, they don't really do too many boy things. And I need a few boy things. Like stamp sets would be cool that said, you know, my son. I love my son. Not my favorite daughter all the time. So that'd be cool if they had a son one. I like that. I don't know how close. Let me see if I can get close. That's all the die cuts you get. Love that. That's awesome. Okay, I love that set. And you get acetate. Yeah, it did seem like we got a little bit more this month than last month. Acetate hearts. Remember to use your sticker machine to put them through your sticker machine to make them sticky. And you won't have to see through them. You won't see through them. I love when we get these. These are like rubber. They're rubber charms. I like the rubber charms. I think they're phenomenal. I love it. So they're little tags. I love that. That is awesome. Oh, and I'm just used one of these in my TN insert that I'll share tomorrow. I just used one of these. I like them. I like these pocket things. They're kind of fun. I do. I like them. Okay, and then this is the paper set. It's easier to show you this way because that way you can see them. I like the colors. I like the colors. I do. This month is very pretty. Every month, the colors every month though are really pretty. I love the colors every month. I don't think I've ever been unhappy with any of them. So this is really pretty. I could see myself using this for my mom or my daughter. It's not like a one generation kind of paper, which I like. Okay, yeah, very, very, very happy with this kit this month. This is awesome. Alright guys, I can't wait to play. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see any projects I make with anything I show. Alright guys, take care. See you next month. Bye.